Hi dears, today let's discuss about a new topic, intersecting and parallel lines. After this module, you can understand about intersecting and parallel lines. Okay, first we have to see what are intersecting lines. Consider a line L1 and another line L2. You can see here these two lines meet at a point. The point is P. These two lines meet at a point P. That means line L1 and line L2 intersect at a point P. They touch each other at a common point P. If two lines have one common point, they are called intersecting lines. If two lines have one common point, here the one common point is P. So, these two lines L1 and L2 are called intersecting lines. These are two examples for intersecting lines. These are two models for intersecting lines. First one is a crossroad. We can see a junction between these two crossroads. That is, the junction is the common point. Then consider our letter X. This center is the common point of letter X. Next, we have to study parallel lines. Have you heard this word parallel lines? Consider a line AB and another line CD. Okay, these are one pair. Next, consider this line PQ, another line RS. PQ and RS are one pair, and AB and CD are another pair. First, consider AB and CD. This arrow indicates that two sides are endless, that we already know. When we extend line AB and CD like this, we extend line AB and CD, but it do not touch each other. It do not meet, do not intersect. It goes through this way. But when we extend line PQ and RS like this, after some distance, it meets at a point. It touches each other. These are the difference between these two pairs. First one is do not meet. Second one is after some time it meet each other. That is, lines which do not meet each other are called parallel lines. Do not meet each other are called parallel lines. Here, line AB and line CD are parallel lines. Line AB and line CD are parallel lines, but line PQ and line RS are not parallel because after some distance they meet each other. Okay, these are some examples for parallel lines. Edges of your scale. Very good example is edges of your scale that do not meet each other. Next, rail also do not meet each other. Okay, what is seen on the screen? A figure with one arrow. Yes, this is called ray. A ray has only one arrow. That means one side is endless. Okay, we can draw like this an arrow. Name is ray AB. Ray AB. One side is a starting, that is A is a starting, and other side is pass through B. It goes endless. A ray has a starting point and it goes endlessly in other direction, that is ray. Ray AB is represented as AB and above AB we can draw a small arrow. Some example, two examples can seen here. Sun rays. We clearly know the starting point is sun. Then where the sun rays end, we don't know, it is endless. Same as light from a torch. The bulb in the torch is the starting point and the light where it ends we don't know, that is the other side is endless. These are two examples for rays. Name the rays given in the picture. Here is one figure. We know 3 points are marked on it. Point A, point T and point B. These are the 3 points marked on this figure. We know a ray has a starting point and one arrow. From starting from T, TA is a ray, TA, and one more ray is here starting from again T and passing through point B, that is TB is another ray. So only two rays here, TA and TB, only one arrow is there. Then another figure, 3 arrows are there. Then points are point M, point N, point P and point Q. Here how many rays here? Starting from M, MP is an arrow starting from M and other side is endless and it passes through P, point P. Then passes through N, we can write it as ray MN, ray MN. Another one is ray MQ, MQ, MN, MP are the 3 rays on this figure. Okay. Next question, use the figure to name. Here you can see one figure. So many points are marked on it. So many arrows are there. Let's see which are the questions. Question A. 5 points. We have to name 5 points here. Very simple answer. That is point D, point E, point O, point C, point B. These are the 5 points on this figure. Next question B. A line. How many lines you can see here? We know a line has 2 arrows, so only one line is here. Which is the only one line? Line DB. Line DB is a line, but on this line 4 points are there. So we have to name in another ways. We have to name line DB as line DE or line DO. Or line EO. So many names we have to call this line. Here I wrote only one name, line DB. You can select any 2 letters on this line. Then next question 4 rays. Here so many rays here. First one is ray DB starting from D and passes through B. Ray DB. Then we can see ray EB, ray OB. OB means starting from O and other side is endless, passing through B. Then ray OC is another line. Okay, ray OC, another line. Then DE another ray. DE is another ray. OB another ray. EB another ray. So many rays are here. We wrote here only 4 rays. Next 4 line segments. So many line segments we have to mark here. 4, 5, 6 line segments are here. See here line segment DE starting from D ending at E, that is DE, a small piece, that is a line segment. DO, line segment DO starting from D ending at O, DO. Then DB. DB is a big line segment. Then EO, a small one, EO, starting from E, ending at O, EO. Then 4 line segments are there. Then fifth one is EB, starting from E, ending at B, EB, another one, fifth one, OB, starting from O, ending at B, OB. Here we can see 6 line segments. You choose only 4. Okay. Next, use the figure to name. Another question. A big figure is here. So many points are marked on it. Total 7 points are marked on this figure. So 3 lines are here. We know a line has 2 arrows. 3 lines are here. Line AE is there. Line CO is there. Line FE is there. Then so many arrows are there. BA, ray BA, ray BC. Just like so many arrows are there. Our first question is line containing point E. Which is the line including point E? Very clearly we know AE is a line containing point E. AE, on line AE there is a point E. Another one, or FE, line FE, you can see line FE. Line FE has 2 arrows. On line FE there is a point E. So line containing point E, line AE or line FE. You can select any line. B question, line passing through A. Here is only one line passing through A. Line AE. Answer is line AE. You can call line AE as line AB, line AD, or line BD, or line BE. Any name you can call line AE. You can select only 2 points. Any 2 points on this line. Then C question, line on which O lies. Which is the line including point O? Only one line is there. Answer, line CO. Line CO. On this line the point O lies. Line CO. We can call line CO as line BO. Right answer. Line BO is a right answer, or we can call it as line CO. Line CO or line BO. Then next question. 2 pairs of intersecting lines. Intersecting lines, we know 2 lines meet each other. 2 lines touch each other. 2 pairs of intersecting lines. Clearly we can see line AE and line CO. Very clearly line AE and line CO meet each other. At which point? Point B. Line AE and line CO meet each other. That means AE and CO are intersecting lines. This is one pair. We have to find 2 pairs. Then second pair, AE and FE. AE and FE meet each other. At which point? At point E. So next answer is AE and FE. Okay. These are 2 pairs of intersecting lines. So parallel lines, intersecting lines, and ray that we studied here. Okay, let's stop. Thank you all.